And meanwhile, protection is further assured of our Filipino domestic workers in Saudi Arabia. This is provided for by a bilateral agreement made between the two countries. Here's Freddie Abando.
A 24-hour hotline is now active for Filipino domestic helpers to report cases of abuse and maltreatment by their Saudi employers.
It is a multilingual, it is that can handle domestic workers who want to speak in our language. So this service is meant to address the plight of domestic workers who feel that their rights have been violated or abused.
This is a major provision of a bilateral agreement between the Philippines and Saudi Arabia to protect the welfare of domestic helpers in the oil-rich kingdom. In a meeting of Dole and labor officials of the Saudi Labor Ministry held in the Philippines, it was also agreed that law enforcement agencies will be engaged to resolve issues between the employers and the domestic helpers hired. A conciliation process is also in place to conduct dialogues to manage disputes.
The other thing is the protection, the correction period, which the Saudi government had pointed out, whereby a runaway domestic worker can be legitimized if there is available work in Saudi Arabia, or possible repatriation with a waiver of fines and penalties.
The agreement's implementation also ensures a $400 monthly salary, the non-deduction from the salary of the cost of recruitment. But more than this, it's how domestic help treated. Runaways who seek refuge at the embassy in Riyadh or the consulate in Jeddah complain of inhumane working conditions, and it takes time for them to be repatriated unless an exit visa is granted. For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abando reporting.